So Colby was watering our plants and our planters, and then noticed that our bear was looking at her very closely and excitedly because she had the water. So now she is spraying the bear with the water so she can have some fun. So this is something we call behavioral enrichment. So this is something that is stimulating to her mentally and physically, and she's having fun with it. So that makes it even better. Now our other black bear over here, that's Yo-Yo over there. She apparently wants nothing to do with playing with the water right now. But Eleanor sure had a heck of a lot of fun there. She likes the water so much.